Hi everybody, my name is Jane. Today I'm very happy to be here to introduce myself. I am 20 years old. I was born in Pakistan, but now I'm living in Hanoi. My family has 4 people, my father, my mother, my brother and I. Now I'm a student at National Economic University. I like eating, sleeping, read book, and talking with my friends. I wish I could earn more money in the future. I tried learning English because I want to speak English well and get opportunity to have a good job. I spend about 4 hours to learn English every day. I will try my best. Thank you for listening.